Hello beautiful people, you're welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Judith and today I bring you good news. Introducing to you the SciContour Face Cupping. So I already opened it because when I got it I couldn't just wait to try it. So this is how the box looks like. Okay, it has been partially unboxed because I have to first use it before coming here to make the review about this product. So it is a smart facial beauty tool. I have actually been using it. This is so good. It has different sizes you could use for your cheeks, for your forehead, and you could choose to use 1 cup to massage your whole face. So this is how it looks, and I'll turn it on here. Okay, it comes in a set. Plug it into this machine, and it's advised when you're going to use this product, please make sure to use a facial oil or face serum and of course face cream, because that is what will help it to slide in nicely into your face and to work perfectly on your face. So I'll be using my face oil, and be generous with your facial oil. I'll just massage it into my face like that. This is the facial cupping, so you can adjust it to the intense you want it to be on your skin. So you just soak it into your skin. See? I don't have to talk while doing this. Yeah. So this helps to ease wrinkles. It helps to ease eye puffiness. There's the one for your eye. So just go in like so, and your forehead. And this also reduces fine lines. So using the face oil or face serum will help this slide easily on your skin, and it will make your skincare to absorb really nicely into your skin. You can look at how smooth my skin is, and I did not experience any redness. It's so mild, so relaxing. In fact, this is my go-through products now. Anytime I use my skincare products, especially when I use my face oil or my facial serums and my face creams, this will help you actually make the product to absorb easily. It's helping it massage it into your skin very nicely, helping your skin to be wrinkle free, helping the lymphatic drainage of your skin, also to ease eye puffiness. You're going to have a discount once you use my discount code that will be scrolling on your screen, and I'll also be leaving it in the description box down below. So make sure you buy this and you'll be grateful and thankful you did. Okay, make sure you copy yours. Hello guys, welcome to another day in our skincare video. So today I'll be talking about vitamin C serum. But hey, how are you all doing? If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing. Hello guys, welcome to another day in our skincare video. So today I'll be talking about why you should not use vitamin C serum every day. It's quite breezy, so I'm taking a walk around my neighborhood. So there is, for now, I have left using vitamin C serum. This is simply because vitamin C serum, if you use it every day, it kind of causes your skin to dry up. I'm going to show you my view. I was going to work yesterday, so I'm going to show you my view, how white and foggy it looked. What am I trying to say? This kind of weather actually makes your skin really dry. In a weather like this, using a vitamin C serum is not advisable. Rather opt for a vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 has a longer lasting effect. When you use vitamin B3, you can as well use it with a retinol. Together is really good for your skin because it helps to make your skin moisturize for a higher level of time or for a longer period of time. So using vitamin C during Harmattan or during winter is not something I really advise you to use, because it doesn't give you a longer lasting moisturizing effect on your skin. Rather, it would, after a while, even though you heavily moisturize your face, you would notice a kind of dryness on your face. Your face will not really have a longer moisturizing effect because vitamin C contains good acids that are good for the skin when it comes to brightening, making your skin look soft and plump. And again, it helps to treat dark spots. But once you've achieved your result, it's not advisable you keep using it because it might just dry out your skin. You can use it once in a week or twice in a week, depending on the time of the year you're using the vitamin C serum. That is, if you're so used to the vitamin C serum and it's really good on your skin, you can use it once in a week or alternate days, and then use a vitamin B3 serum, which helps to smoothen your skin and has a longer moisturizing effect 3 times or 4 times in a week. That way your skin will gain a very smooth, brightening and soft effect, and also your skin will be a lot moisturizer for a long period of time. It also helps to ease out wrinkles, vitamin B3. Okay, so that is pretty much it, guys. So if you're a dry skin person, I wouldn't advise you to use vitamin C regularly, okay, except you're using it to treat like a skin condition, maybe like black spot. Probably you're trying to get a brighter skin, because vitamin C also really helps to brighten the skin. Even vitamin B3 can also help to brighten your skin. So if you're using a vitamin C serum as a dry skin person, I'd advise you use it probably once a week, or like alternate days. Don't use it regularly. And if you must use it, make sure you highly moisturize your face so that your skin don't tend to dry out in less than few hours after you apply it. Why I showed you that video of me going to work the previous day and how white it is that I was trying to show you the effect it has on the body, like on the skin. You see how white that fog weather looks? That's how dry like your skin gets. Like, in fact, I even noticed it as soon as I got to work. I noticed my face was almost looking white, like it was almost looking ashy. That's the word to use. But the good thing was that before I left the house, I make sure I moisturized really well. If you're in the kind of weather that is really drying, especially during winter period, like, watch how your skin reacts to the product and look at the weather as well. Okay, why I always emphasize on moisturizing lotions or face moisturizing cream is because this would help leave moisture on your skin for a long period of time, and in so doing it reduces the signs of aging, it reduces the signs of wrinkles, it keeps your face smoother, glowing, shinier, and it gives it a youthful radiance. Okay, darlings, so that is all I have for you. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched up until this part, thank you. You're the realest OG. Like I always say, just make sure you engage in all my videos. Make sure to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Have you ever heard about vitamin B3 serum? Have you ever tried using it? How has it been on your skin? Do let me know in the comment section. Let us get interactive, and I'll see you again.